Bismillah. Alright, good day guys, welcome back to channel. Channel this. So this is the continuation of the video and the testing phase. So okay, I put it in here and gigabyte I move it here. So let's see it in the hiveos. Okay, let's pan it up a bit. Okay, I have to pan it up again a bit more. Okay, all right. So as you can see, we have 3 supers, which is 1, 2, 3. And by the way, the new super is also a Samsung, so which is good thing. Okay, so let's see how it performs. Or before that, we have to change the settings again. 135, change it to here. 135, change it to here, as the gigabyte is have already moved places. So okay, this one is 78. Let's paste the existing Samsung memory of the clock to the same one. Okay, so it's in 1050, 2000, 1035, and negative 1004, and okay, apply, and let's see how it performs. Let's move the camera a bit backwards. A bit backwards. No more space. So I'll just put it here. Okay, so the first share is at 70. Okay, the second one is 166. Okay, there's the first statistics. Okay, quite nice. So the new one, the new super, is at 32.01. Quite nice, at 64 watts. Okay, is it the first one or is it 01? Okay, a bit confusing. I'm guessing the new one is the 01 zero. No, not really. Okay, I don't know which one. Both are identical, almost identical, so I don't know which one. But in any case, the performance is almost the same and the wattage consumption is the same. Okay, so as you can see right there, the 0 and 1 efficiency is almost the same, and I can say the new GPU, the new Super, is, I give it a thumbs up. I wouldn't say lottery silicon, good lottery silicon, but I guess it's good. Efficiency is still high, just below 3060 Ti and 3070 efficiency. So the hash rate, the overall hash rate is 16.6, 166. Maybe I'll experiment later on the settings. Okay, so in overall, we have another super, which is MSI Ventus. Okay, so the overclock, as you see, the settings, as you can see just now, is the same one as the previous Ventus Super. It's at what was the overclock? Let me see. Okay, the settings is the same, 1050 on the CC, 2000 on the MC, and the PL is at 78. But as you can see, the hiveos absolute core clock ACC is in effect, which is 1050, okay, on the CC. So the memory, the wattage consumption is lower than usual. Okay, it's at 64 and 65, which is here is 64, which is okay, which is good. Lower consumption than normal. Okay, lower consumption than the settings, the PL settings. So which is good. Okay. And the efficiency is here, it says 500 kilo hash per watt, so which is good. Okay, which is good, which is high efficiency. That is what we want. Okay, so hope you have beneficial information from this. Hopefully it's benefit you in some ways, and take care guys. Bye bye.